Good day everyone, I am John Rex Galia and for now, I am going to discuss the Philippine popular culture then and now. The Philippines is rich in historical and cultural heritage, consisting of various traditions and cultures due to different influences from our previous colonizers. Modern Philippines popular culture during the post-war era. Modern Philippines, government and political system. So, muna siya ang mga governments of the Philippines. First, we have executive and composed of president, vice president, cabinet, and local government. Second is the legislative, composed of senate and house of representative. So, ang pangkatulo is the judiciary. It composed of Supreme Court, regional metropolitan trial courts, and special courts. So, ang pangkapat is the Constitutional Commission officers, composed of Civil Service Commission, Commission on Elections, Commission on Audit, and Office of the Ombudsman, and the last is the Commission on Human Rights. Modern Philippines. Educational system. 3 government agencies manage the different levels of education. First, we have Department of Education or DepEd, and the second is Commission on Higher Education or CHED, and the last is Technical Education Skills Development Authority or TESDA. Emergence of telecommunication. So sa kanilang picture is muna siya ang ginagamit sa una to communicate sa ilang mga pamilya o sa uban pa nga mga tao. And sa kanina picture is kanang color block dra is mao na siya ang pager and also mao na siyang ginagamit to communicate. Ang kanang blue na color dra is mao na siya ang first commercial mobile phone and also used for communication. Emergence of telecommunication. On March 29, 1994, the Philippines was the first connected to the internet via a PLDT network center in Makati City. Introduction of 3G mobile internet. So, mana siya. Emergence of social media. Friendster. So, kanang Friendster is, mura na siya kanang Facebook, but ang nakalahi lang is, ang Facebook is mas pina-upgrade or mas pina-enhance. We have also Twitter. Mao na siya ang mga ginagamit nila nga social media sa una. Introduction of 4G Lite mobile internet. So, mao na siya ang nasa tuwa karon. Philippines as social media capital. So, in this picture, it shows that the Philippines is rank 1 in terms of spending time in social media. And kani nga picture is 2018 pa ni siya. The evolution of recorded music from vinyl to Spotify. So, muna siya, no? It shows that ang atong technology is nag-upgrade. Timeline on development of communication. So, makita nato sa picture no nga ang ang technology is nag-develop or nag-upgrade sa paglabay sa panahon. So, sa ato ang economy and livelihood no, nanatay GCash, Paymaya, Lazada o daghan pa. Ang lab parang bayad sa jeep, minsan di masusuklian. So, muna siya ang language trends sa hugot. Filipino slang word na nag-trending in 2017. We have Petmalu, Lodi, Werpa, o daghan pa. So, sa kanilang picture, muna siya ang 2021 trending words. We have also the other Filipino slang words. We have Tsuge, Tom Jones, Toka, Singlot, and Tokmol.